Guys, welcome back to the channel. My E46 currently has a blown engine, and in today's video, we're going to be starting to take this car apart. This is my donor ZHP with 156,000 miles. It's automatic, it's black, and it's ready to be turned into a parts car.
The cube trim is sick.
That's gonna be the first thing I put in my car. Before we even put the motor in, I'm putting a cube trim in that shit.
You know, I'm gonna let you get this one in case I break it, because if I broke it, I'd feel like a bitch.
You know, do we really need to take this out right now?
Yeah, maybe wait on that one.
Maybe wait for a warmer day? Let's take a look. The camera's gonna want to see the
gross.
rat's nest in there. Fresh motor for my car. No more oil burning. No more oil burning shit boxes. I left two tools that I actually need for this in the storage unit.
Oh, yeah, that's it, okay.
This poor car, the headlights are ruined on it. Almost.
That sucks, dude.
Just fix these and then just double. And just take the front clip off that. And then take the core out. Get the light in there.
Ooh.
It's a mix of blue and green. Awesome.
We like that.
OEM plus the bad shit. There you go.
Where do you want it? Over there, or?
Yes.
It's pretty much all.
And Tech 2 brake ducts. This is a critical part in E46 ownership where you find out how close your motor was to blowing up. This one passes. So what happens is this little pin right here in this flap, it's not even like held in there very good. It's just like a slip fit, and then over time it wears itself, and then it will like fall out in the motor and blow it up. And on my car, when I pulled it out, it was like I literally did this and it fell out my hand.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this one had some life left in it. And see this is a good valve right here too.
Nice.
She sounds good. Check this out. This is how you know she's good. She's making the sucking noise. That's what we like to hear.
It's always good when she's a strong sucker.
Indeed. So welcome back. It's another day now. We got the core support and the radiator and the AC condenser and all that shiz out of the way, but it went really smoothly. That's all I gotta say. It went really smoothly. As you can see, it's super clean in here. It's like nothing ever happened. No fluids were mixed or spilled, and that if they were, they would be disposed of in a very responsible manner. Don't you guys worry at home. We're taking all the right steps to make sure that Mother Nature's happy.
So where are the lift points on this thing?
So one of them is here, and the other one is straight back and down. Yeah, so you have to run a bolt through it. You have to chain.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want to taste the brake fluid to make sure it's okay?
This bitch doesn't want to go down without a fight.
Yeah, this exhaust is special.
What?
It's made out of entirely stainless steel.
Oh.
And it's got a different muffler than the regular 330.
Typical Wednesday night activities.
The mirror's like not on. Good on this side.
Okay.
Boom. Oh, surprisingly, dude, the Guibo is in good shape.
A nice firm Guibo.
Okay, so it's a new day today. Obviously, it's daytime. It's the weekend. We're gonna go get some bolts, put the motor on the stand, and the objective for today is to actually get the motor out of the car, and I think we're pretty close. Oh my god. That went incredibly hard. Dude, look at the wheels on this thing. This thing's rocking to BBS 5s, bro.
The special sauce.
Oh. Oh shit. This is gonna be about $20 in bolts. Well guys, if you're wondering what $40 buys you nowadays, it's not a lot.
All right, guys, so the next problem we just encountered is this leveler is not quite long enough to reach the mounting point on the back of the motor. So we're gonna run to Harbor Freight, try and get a new one, get some rubber gloves and some other stuff. So then we'll get right back to it. We ended up grabbing this guy from Harbor Freight. Obviously the chains are much longer, and then we grabbed this guy to hook it on right there. And then this one on the back, we're just gonna need to run a bolt through in the back there. So just looking for a longer bolt, and then we'll be able to hook it up to the engine crane. We got everything disconnected. I think we're ready to go. It's all hooked up. So let's get yanking.
It's very close to the firewall. You want to keep going?
Okay.
Oh, I got a pry bar.
Tensile strength tester.
Got a pry bar.
Well, we got this guy here that we're about to destroy, this windshield wiper reservoir.
I mean, we could take it out real quick.
It's only a couple bolts that hold it in.
This is the heat shield that was hanging us up.
Really?
Yep. I just got it on. That heat shield's strong, dude. It had the whole motor weight on it.
Oh my
I just bent the shit out of it, but it's fine.
That's alright. Damn, dude. This thing's like literally like free hanging now.
Yeah, I also have catless headers on my car, so it should be less of a bitch to maneuver them.
Nice. Okay. So let's pull it this way. Oh, wait a second. We're caught again on the f***ing header. It's on the motor mount this time.
I'm gonna go up so I got in my hat real quick. I got like up the rock in it. Got all the lines.
Alright, I'm gonna pull it. Yeah.
Easy.
That's a good
bitch.
one, bro. Alright, we got the trans off. Just letting the transmission fluid drain now. Then we'll get to put the motor up on the stand. Alright. The motor is up on the stand now. And she's ready for work. All right, guys, that does it for this week. So next on the list, we are going to get the Supercharged E46. We're gonna tow it back to his house, and then we are going to pull the motor out of that one. We're probably not gonna film all that just because I think it's gonna get really repetitive. But from there, basically we're just gonna start getting all the good stuff from the other motor, start putting it on the used motor, and then we're gonna get it back in the car. So stay tuned for all that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.